module. My module is like this. Here 8 plus 5 minus 8 equal to 0, 5. I can change this button also. Like here 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. Here I made another module also. Here the table of 5. Here 5 plus 5, 10. 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. Similarly, when I minus 5 from 50, it becomes 45. Then 45 becomes 40. Like this. My all module. Thank you for watching.